The wet dryer vacuum has an up to 60-minute runtime on one 18-volt LXT lithium-ion 5.8-hour battery. The vacuum also has an efficient Hepa filter that captures 99.97% of particles. And on this side, you'll have the battery indicator and a switch indicating low and high. And with the Hepa vacuum, you don't have to worry about losing pieces. You have onboard storage for your concave nose pieces and wide ones that fit right on the machine. Now with the vacuum, you can also convert it into a blower. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe, and don't forget to always do your best work.